In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have a better grasp on personalizing your QuickBooks experience to suit your needs. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Simply navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and click on the Sign In button. Once prompted, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. Make sure you're signing in with the correct credentials to avoid any delay. Enter your email address and password and then click Continue. That will take you straight into your account's dashboard where we'll start configuring the custom fields. Now that you're in, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the settings icon. This icon, which looks like a small gear, is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your QuickBooks experience. Give it a click and you'll see a drop-down menu revealing multiple settings options. From the drop-down, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This section allows you to make overarching changes to your account's configuration, so be sure you're in the right section. Once you're in the Account and Settings window, locate the Sales tab on the left pane, click on it and then make your way to Sales Form Content. The next step is to turn on an option that will grant you more control over your sales forms. You'll see an option called Custom Transaction Numbers. If it's not already enabled, click to turn it on. This setting allows you to define specific transaction numbers, adding a layer of customization and organization to your sales processes. Whether you're managing invoices or receipts, this little feature can streamline your workflow significantly. Once you've made this change, it's important not to forget to save your new settings. Make sure to click on the Save button located at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that all the adjustments you just made are implemented in your QuickBooks operations. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added custom fields to your QuickBooks Online setup. This customization will help you and your team to manage sales forms with greater efficiency and personalization. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tips and how-tos that will simplify your accounting processes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.